Have you ever thought about how window grills can do more than just protect your home? Imagine a design that not only keeps your space secure, but also adds a stylish, modern touch to your interiors. Gone are the days of bulky, boring grills. Today's designs combine security with sleek aesthetics, creating a perfect blend of form and function. From minimalist bars to intricate laser-cut patterns, window grills are evolving into true style statements. In this video, we'll uncover the latest trends in window grill designs, explore innovative materials, and even reveal a unique idea you've probably never seen before. Stick around. You won't want to miss it. Importance of window grill designs. Window grills may seem like a small detail, but they play a huge role in your home's overall design and functionality. Let's talk about why they're so important. First, let's discuss aesthetics. Window grills are no longer just about function, they're a key part of modern home design. The right grill can enhance your home's curb appeal, elevate your interiors, and even reflect your personal style. Whether it's sleek horizontal lines for a minimalist look or intricate patterns for a more decorative vibe, they're the perfect finishing touch to your windows. But let's not forget security. A strong window grill acts as your first line of defense, deterring potential intruders and ensuring your home stays safe. This added layer of protection gives you peace of mind, especially if you live in an urban or high-traffic area. So whether you're prioritizing style, security, or both, window grills are a smart, functional, and aesthetic choice for every homeowner. Up next, we'll dive into the hottest trends for 2025 that you'll want to keep an eye on. Latest trends in window grill designs for 2025. Now that we know why window grills are essential, let's explore the hottest trends in window grill designs for 2025. 1. Modern minimalist designs. Minimalism continues to dominate, and window grills are no exception. Sleek horizontal or vertical bar grills are a favorite, offering a clean and modern look that blends perfectly with contemporary architecture. For those who want a touch of creativity, laser-cut panel grills are making waves. These precision-cut designs add an artistic flair to your windows while maintaining functionality. 2. Innovative materials. Materials are evolving to match modern tastes and needs. Wrought iron remains a classic choice, known for its strength and intricate designs, perfect for heritage-inspired homes. Stainless steel and aluminum are becoming increasingly popular due to their durability and lightweight feel. They're perfect for achieving a modern and polished aesthetic. And let's not forget glass grills, which offer unobstructed views and a truly contemporary vibe for those who want something bold and unique. Third, trending color palettes. Color is everything when it comes to modern window grills. Black window frames are trending big this year, offering a striking contrast that adds sophistication to any home. Paired with metallic tones like gold or bronze, black grills create a bold yet elegant statement. These trends reflect the growing demand for designs that are not just practical, but also stylish and innovative. But we're not done yet. In the next section, we'll take a closer look at the top 5 window grill design ideas to inspire your next project. Top 5 window grill design ideas. Ready for some inspiration? Let's dive into the top 5 window grill designs currently trending. 1. Horizontal bar grills. These sleek, straight lines are the epitome of minimalism. They provide security without blocking your view, making them perfect for modern and minimalist homes. Plus, they're easy to maintain and blend seamlessly with any design style. 2. Laser-cut panel grills. For those looking for something artistic, laser-cut designs are a game-changer. These intricate patterns created with precision bring a decorative touch to your windows. Whether it's floral motifs, geometric shapes, or custom designs, laser-cut grills combine functionality with art. 3. Wrought iron grills. Wrought iron grills are a timeless classic. They are durable, versatile, and can be crafted into intricate designs. They're perfect for heritage homes or those who want to blend tradition and modernity. With proper rust treatment, they're also built to last for years. 4. Mesh grills. If you prefer an unobtrusive option, mesh grills are the way to go. These fine metal grids provide security while maintaining a clean, minimalistic look. They're especially popular for modern apartments or homes with a focus on simplicity. 5. Asymmetric pattern. Grills. Want to make a bold statement? Asymmetric designs break away from traditional symmetry and offer a contemporary artistic look. These unique patterns transform your window grills into eye-catching features that stand out in any home. Each of these designs caters to different styles, so whether you're going for sleek minimalism or bold artistry, there's something here for every homeowner. In the next section, we'll talk about how you can customize and personalize these designs to make them truly your own. Customization and personalization. Window grills are not one-size-fits-all. They're an opportunity to express your unique style. Let's talk about how you can customize and personalize your window grill designs to make them truly yours. 1. Design patterns. Think beyond the ordinary. Whether you love geometric shapes, floral patterns, or abstract art, you can create a design that reflects your personal taste. Custom laser-cut designs, for instance, allow you to bring any concept to life. Your imagination is the limit. 2. Material choices. Choose materials that suit your home's architecture and your lifestyle. For a warm, natural feel, opt for wooden grills. If you're after durability and a sleek look, stainless steel or aluminum might be your best bet. And if you're bold enough to go ultra-modern, glass grills can give your home a futuristic vibe. 3. Integration with windows. Seamless integration is key to a polished look. Consider grills that complement your existing window frames, whether they're painted black for a dramatic contrast or matched to the natural tones of wood or metal. The goal is to make the grills feel like a cohesive part of your home's design. 4. Functional add-ons. Why not add a touch of functionality? Consider features like integrated LED lighting to illuminate your windows at night, or grills that double as planters for a unique green aesthetic. These small touches make your window grills stand out. Customizing your window grills allows you to create a design that balances style, security, and personal flair. In the next section, we'll share some practical maintenance tips to keep your window grills looking their best for years to come. Maintenance tips. Now that you've explored amazing window grill designs and customization options, let's talk about how to keep them looking stunning and performing well for years to come. 1. Regular cleaning. Dust and grime can dull the beauty of your window grills over time. Use a soft cloth or sponge with mild soapy water to clean them regularly. For intricate designs like laser-cut grills, a soft brush or even a vacuum attachment can help reach those tricky spots. 2. Rust prevention. If you've chosen metal grills like wrought iron or steel, rust can be an issue. Applying a protective coating, such as anti-rust spray or paint, will keep corrosion at bay. For coastal areas, opt for materials like aluminum or stainless steel that naturally resist rust. 3. Periodic inspections. Check your grills every few months for any signs of damage, loose screws, or weakening joints. Addressing these small issues early can prevent bigger problems later and ensure your grills remain secure and sturdy. 4. Repainting or refinishing. If your grills are painted, consider a fresh coat every couple of years to maintain their vibrancy. For wooden grills, periodic refinishing or sealing will protect them from weather damage and keep their natural beauty intact. 5. Specialized maintenance for glass grills. For glass grills, regular cleaning with glass-safe cleaners is essential to maintain clarity and shine. Avoid abrasive materials that could scratch the surface. By following these maintenance tips, you can preserve the beauty and functionality of your window grills, ensuring they remain a striking and secure feature of your home. Up next, let's wrap things up with a quick recap and some final thoughts. We explored the rise of modern window grills, a perfect balance between security and style. We talked about the importance of window grill designs in enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal while offering robust protection. We then dived into the latest trends for 2025, showcasing popular designs like horizontal bars, laser-cut panels, and asymmetrical patterns. We also discussed how customization and personalization can turn your window grills into unique, eye-catching features. And finally, we shared practical maintenance tips to keep them looking fresh and functional for years to come. So, which window grill design caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who's planning to upgrade their home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting home design ideas. And here's a teaser. Our next video is all about modern balcony railing designs that will elevate your home's exterior. You don't want to miss it, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.